Welcome back to the 123 Load Board YouTube channel. I'm your host, Lauren Metzen, and today it's all about posting your truck so that brokers and shippers come to you instead of the other way around. As a carrier, posting your truck is a great way to advertise your business. And why would you not want a broker calling you with freight that matches your truck? Every phone call from posting your truck is an opportunity to accomplish three things: book a truckload, build a relationship for future freight, and find new connections for direct customers. At the very least, it's a friendly introduction and your chance to leave a lasting impression. Before we go any further, don't automatically assume that posting your truck is not a profitable option. It sure can be. If the broker didn't have a specific need, he or she would just post a load and wait for the phones to ring. There's got to be a reason they're calling out and wanting your truck to move their load. The most common reason they're calling on posted trucks is time. The broker is simply running out of time to get the load picked up, and your truck becomes a great option for them. If they're really up against the clock, they'll step up to book the load. That's when you can come in and negotiate an above average rate. Many will say this is an afternoon play. The brokers are trying to finish up strong and book those last minute loads. Although there may be some truth to this, appointments at shippers and receivers are set for all hours of the day. The other reason your phone might ring from posting your truck is the type of equipment or a specific need you and your truck fill. For example, if 10 trucks are posted and only a few are the right combination, whose phones do you think are going to ring? Let's take a closer look at the truck posting feature by hopping onto our desktop version of our load board. And also, stick around to the end of this video as I'll be giving away 3 tips on how to make your truck post stand out. Once logged in, if you look at the left navigation menu under the subheading My Trucks, you will see an option for Post Truck. This section gives you 3 options to post your truck. Option 1, Real-Time Truck Post. Real-time truck posting is only available on our mobile app as it uses your mobile phone's GPS location to update your location and truck post in real time. A great time-saving feature. Option 2, Scheduled Truck Post. Select this option when you know you're going to be somewhere on a specific day and need a return load. Option 3, Expired Truck Posts. Any previous truck posts that are past their posted date will appear here until their dates are changed for easy reposting or until they are deleted. For this video, we'll focus on posting a scheduled truck. Start by clicking the Create New Post. As with any truck post, let's enter a pickup location. In this example, we'll enter Dallas, Texas with a radius of 150 miles. Next, we need to specify a drop-off location. The default value is anywhere, but brokers and shippers like it when you specify exactly where you want to go. Clicking into this field, we can choose anywhere, the US, or Canada. A bit lower, your current location, home base, or even specific states that you want to haul to. In this example, we'll select Texas and Oklahoma. The next field we need to update is the date or dates will be available to haul a load. Either select one or multiple dates. Click Apply to continue. Next, we need to enter our available capacity. Let's start by selecting our truck. Here we can select and manage all of our trucks, a great feature for dispatchers or owner-operators with multiple trailers. In this example, we'll be posting a truck for Bob, who owns a reefer trailer. So let's quickly create a new truck. Start by giving the truck a name, then select reefer, and enter the max length and max weight. Once the truck is created, we can select it from the list. Next, we need to specify how much of the trailer is available. Select either TL for truckload or LTL for less than truckload. In this example, we have a full truck with 53 feet and 45,000 pounds available. At this point, we can go ahead and post the truck. But keep in mind that if we want to post the truck anonymously, we can check this box and our phone number will be hidden from the actual truck post, forcing the broker and shipper to send you alerts that you can act on. This option reduces the amount of potentially unwanted calls and gives you the ability to act on the loads you want to haul. For this example, let's go ahead and post the truck without it being anonymous. Once posted, your truck will be visible to brokers and shippers. If they have a load that matches your truck, they will contact you directly with load offers. To edit your truck post at any time, Simply click the truck post itself and the form will open, allowing you to update the post accordingly and to delete it when needed. And now, as promised, here are 3 ways to make your truck stand out from the crowd. The first tip, verify your phone number. Head on over to your profile settings and verify your phone number. It takes less than a minute and brokers like working with verified carriers. The more information that is verified beforehand adds confidence and makes the load booking process simpler. When brokers and shippers review posted trucks, they will typically call on trucks with verified numbers first. The second tip, ensure that your authority is added to your account. Head on over to your company settings and make sure you add your DOT and MC number if available. When brokers and shippers review posted trucks, they'll call on trucks with active authorities first. The third and last tip, add a specific destination. Carriers usually leave the destination drop-off field as anywhere because they feel they can go anywhere for the right amount of money. That may be true, but it also opens the door to receiving unwanted phone calls and inquiries about problem loads that are hard to cover, possibly going somewhere where you don't want to go or have a low rate. Also, when a truck is posted without a specific destination, it can seem to the broker and shipper like a desperate carrier that will accept any load. Definitely not a good position to be in if you're trying to negotiate a higher rate. Start posting specific destinations, and if you're located in an area with plenty of freight, take advantage of the situation by getting calls on loads that you really want to haul. Brokers and shippers would much rather call carriers that match the load requirements rather than waste time with carriers telling them they won't haul to New York, Alaska, etc. Well, we hope you enjoyed this video about posting your truck. If you have any comments, questions, we'd love to hear from you down below. And as always, if this video helped you in any way, shape, or form, we'd love to have a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and should you need any additional help, please visit our frequently asked questions available at help.123loadboard.com. Once again, thank you for watching and see you next time.